Summer. Today we are starting with a new lecture on prime numbers. And when it comes to prime numbers, we we used to learn that there are two kinds of numbers such as even numbers and odd numbers. But now there is a third category which is prime numbers. Now we know that even numbers are numbers which are in twos, right? Which are in twos. For example, you got 2, you got 4, you got 6, you got 8, you got 10, and so on. And similarly for the odd numbers, you can say that they start from 1 and they increment with 2. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. Now when we talk about prime numbers, these numbers are only divisible by themselves and 1, right? That's the primary rule we need to understand. The prime numbers are, let's write it down, prime numbers are only divisible by themselves and by ones, right? Excuse my handwriting. So, what numbers we can think of when it comes to prime numbers? All right, let's start with the 2. So, when it comes to 2, you can see that 2 is only available in twos, right? And ones, right? You cannot get 2 in threes or 4 or 5. It is only available in twos and ones, right? So 2 is a prime number. When it comes to 3, let's see. Do we have 3 in twos? No. Do we have 3 in fours? No. Do we have 3 in 5? No. We only have 3 in threes and 1. So 3 is also a prime number. How about 4? When it comes to 4, you can see that 4 is, we can get 4 in twos, right? Like 2 times 2 is 4. And when it comes to 1,